I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to cancel your YouTube Music subscription, follow these steps to make it easy. Step 1. Open the YouTube Music app. Launch the YouTube Music app on your device. Make sure you're logged in with the account that has the subscription you want to cancel. Step 2. Access your profile. Tap on your profile picture located in the top right corner of the app. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Go to Paid Memberships. In the Account Settings menu, look for the option labeled Paid Memberships and select it. This will show you your current subscriptions. Step 4. Select YouTube Music subscription. Find your YouTube Music subscription in the list and tap on it. You should see details about your subscription, including the next billing date. Step 5. Cancel subscription. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. I hope this helps you manage your subscription easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.